comprehend, comprehend. Maria is learning English, and sometimes it is difficult for her to comprehend long sentences. However, she practices every day by reading simple books and listening to her teacher. Slowly, she begins to comprehend more words and feels more confident using the language.